Hello, traders. Welcome back to our daily trade journal series here at DIY Wall Street. I try my best to journal every session because it's the only way to stay accountable and actually grow as a trader. So for today, I made about $788. Had a really good day, 100% success rate. And that is mostly thanks to following the VX Algo structure signals. Knowing whether the structure is bearish or bullish helped guided a lot of the trades, and that helped kept me profitable. So for today, let's walk through how the signals played out and map out key levels for tomorrow's setup. So let me pull up all the signals that happened today. Oops, let's go into the 1 minute time frame. So today we had bullish market structure signal at 9:57, and that was around here, right? So that took the market up, and then we had another bullish structure flip at 10:30, which was over here at the MOB line, our make or break line, and that MOB line held very well and continued to grind up. And then at 11:10, we had a X1 sell signal, which was over here. That played out pretty good. Dropped a little bit. Could have had play a few more drops here, but overall market structure is bullish, so we want to buy the dip and keep going up. So that's how I made my money today. I would say today is also a really good day. If you have lost money today, if you didn't make money in this market today, I can probably guess the number one reason is you guys are probably trading on the bad news and expected the market to go down, right? So if you stay on top of the news today and you saw the news, you would know that today we had the U.S. had lost 33,000 jobs in June, and it was just back to back, like pretty ugly news this morning. That's why we kind of dropped a little bit, right? So we lost 33,000 jobs in June instead of gaining 99,000. So that's a negative 132,000 jobs lost or not gained, right? And then Microsoft came out and was like, "Hey, we're gonna like lay off 9,000 workers as well." And then after that, Tesla missed deliveries and they're contracting by 20%. So this is a classic definition of when it rains, it pours, but the market was relentless. It didn't care. It just kept going up. And if I didn't have these bullish market structure signals to tell me that, hey, price action here is bullish, I would be shorting and I would probably be losing money and losing my ass. Right. So I say that that's a great takeaway here. If you guys lost money today, remember to understand that when you're day trading, you're following technical analysis, you should understand price action. And what price action means is candlestick patterns, you know, um, volumes, and all these things that are related to that can cause the price to react, right? So, in a sense, here we can see a lot of bullish foundation candles here, where that price action means is bullish, and that's naturally going to push the stock up. So, disregard all the news, just follow the price action here. And if the price action is bullish, let it go bullish, let it play in your favor. So I hope that helps and give you an idea of how to trade better and have a structured process of trading. Then for tomorrow, I would say watch these levels here, the 6250. So if you guys were here yesterday, I said to watch the 6235 area, and that worked out pretty well today. So for tomorrow, I would say 6250 and 6240. I always do these levels at the end of the video. I think in order for us to remain bullish, we can't lose this level. If we do lose this level, over here is no man's land, which means it can go anywhere. And then if we go under this line, that's when I think we can go down further. That's how these price levels work. So as long as we stay above this level, we can continue to stay bullish. We can pull back and test this as support, but other than that, we will stay bullish. So I hope that helps. Good luck trading, and I hope you guys make a lot of money. If you need help, feel free to reach out and ask questions.